What's up, YouTube? This is Big Pat, the Fit MD, and welcome back to the channel. Last time I talked about the standard bench press, and this time we're going to talk about the incline bench press. The standard bench press works out, your muscles in your chest evenly. The incline bench press focuses more on the upper part of your chest and your shoulders. I'm going to show you a technique to take the shoulders kind of sort of out of the equation so that you could properly concentrate on working out the upper part of your chest, which is what your goal usually is. You could work out your shoulders in another exercise. All right. So let's do the incline bench press. So the incline bench press, the difference between a standard bench press and the incline bench press is the standard bench press, the bench is flat, at a horizontal angle from the floor. An incline bench press, you actually have to lift the mat at a 45-degree angle, like that. And what that does is it allows you to push at an upward angle. And when you push at an upward angle, it focuses more on the top of the chest. So this is how it goes, all right? So when you get on the bench, the most important thing, and this is what I always made a mistake of, was I didn't retract my shoulder blade muscles. So you have to retract your scapula. When you retract your scapula like this, it takes your shoulders out of the equation and it focuses on your chest. So what you want to do is when you lie back on the bench, you want to retract your shoulder blades like that. And then once you retract your shoulder blades, then you push forward, okay? So let's do it. As before, shoulder width apart, a little outside of shoulder width apart, okay? And let's do it. Retract your scapula, down and then up, down and then up. Two. And when you bring down the bar, at the middle of your chest, and then you push up. Still keeping your scapula retracted at all times. That protects your shoulder. Okay? Okay, good. And that's about it. All right, so if you like the video, smash the like button and comment, subscribe, and holler back at me on the next video. Next video, I'll talk about the decline bench press. All right? All right, peace.